Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. So I thought I'd do the start of a video today, which is on, let me just swap hands, these Cantaloupe melons. Hopefully some of you have seen the video on how to hand pollinate the flowers, which I did a week ago. So I released it a week ago, so I actually started hand pollinating at the start of July, and now there's some obvious fruits forming, so I thought I'd do, well, start of a video, show you what is happening, and then probably come back once the fruits have hopefully ripened and show you what we've achieved. So let's turn the camera around and have a look. So I'll just show you how quick they formed. So we're now basically 2 weeks on from when I was hand pollinating, and they are the cantaloupes, starting to form quite nicely. You'll notice there that we've already got one decent fruit establishing, and this one has pollinated as well. So I'm just going to whip that one off because I don't want two forming at the same point. You know, they just struggle to get nutrients to each other and end up getting bruised, so we'll just keep them thinned out. But you can see there's quite a few coming good now. I've got, so it's the one there, and then I've got the other one hidden down there, and there is one on the back side there, and there, which actually I need to now move because I put it in the pot to protect it, but if I'm not careful it'll fill that pot. So anyway, that's another week on from when I did the video, which is actually 2 weeks from pollinating. So you can see from those two plants we could end up with getting about half a dozen fruits at this rate, so that'd be really good. Well, I've had to pick this melon as after, well, 7 weeks of really hot, dry weather, we finally had a bit of rain last night, and I think it's just caused the melon to suddenly swell too much and split. So rather than risk wasps getting into it and any bacteria, decided to pick it. And I mean, it's got a bit of give in it. You can see there's slight coloration change, so let's see what it's like. There we are, so that's it cut open, the first of the melon Minnesota Midget. So it looks pretty appetizing, and you can see there's some good seed formation as well, a nice colour. So that's us sorted for dessert tonight, and then just leave the other remaining 5 to grow and hopefully ripen. Morning guys, back with you. It's the 22nd of August. Behind me melon plants, or planters, have just been having a bit of a tidy up, so I'll turn around and show you. Right, okay, so finished last section of the video with having to pick off a slightly immature melon because it would come off and split. But I have got these 4, so these ones, there was one came off of this plant that still remains. The other plant I've just finished cutting back and got shot of the compost, and basically with this existing one now I've cut back all these shoots. You can see unfortunately they have got powdery mildew, so I think that's what hampered it, but cut it back and cut off some of the worst foliage just to see if we could get some more energy into just ripening up these last remaining melons. So on the other plant, pulled these and this one, and again it's a shame we haven't got smell camera because these smell absolutely amazing, and now they've gone this yellow coloration into the skin. That is when they're ripe, and also you will find that as they reach full ripeness they will then detach themselves from the stem itself. So you can see the difference immature, not ready to harvest, and these ones have all come off, but you can see the difference in size. So we kind of got like cricket ball size, and don't know really what size you'd compare that to, but got an amazing scent to them, smell like melon, look like melon. And for my first year of trying to grow these Cantaloupe Mars Minnesota Midget, I'm very happy. So that's it. Look forward to the eating now. And that is it. That's the end of the video. And we actually finish on a day where it looks like we might have a bit of rain for a change. Not had any for so long. Anyway, yeah, end of video on the Cantaloupe Melon Minnesota Midget. If you've got any questions, then please send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. I will include in this video links to the other parts or the other bits on these cantaloupes, so including the hand pollination video. If you do like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on the future videos. And I always say it, but it is very true. Just get outside, have fun, enjoy what you're doing, enjoy your gardening, and till next time, well, there you go. Bye for now.